Hello students, today we will learn the different parts of flower. Now here we have hibiscus flower, and this hibiscus flower is also known as China rose. So let us learn the different parts of flower. So see, we have to invert this flower. See, this is the back side of the flower. In the back side of the flower we can see here are the green leaves. Now see, these are the green leaves. We have to remove these green leaves. These green leaves are known as sepals. So we have to remove the sepals carefully. With the help of forceps. This is known as forceps. So here we have removed the sepals. Today we learn the different parts of flower. In flower we have taken the hibiscus, China rose. हमने चाइना रोज का फ्लावर लिया है. जब हम चाइना रोज को इन्वर्ट करते हैं तो हमें क्या दिखती हैं? ग्रीन लीव्स. वी कैन सी द ग्रीन लीव्स. सी दीज ग्रीन लीव्स प्रोटेक्ट व्हेन द फ्लावर इज इन बर्ड फॉर्म. ये जो ग्रीन लीव्स हैं ये फ्लावर को प्रोटेक्ट करती हैं, उसके डेलिकेट पार्ट को, जब वो बर्ड फॉर्म में होता है. जब वो बर्ड फॉर्म में होता है तो उसकी जो सॉफ्ट पार्ट है उनको प्रोटेक्ट करता है फ्रॉम द डैमेजिंग, ताकि वो डैमेज ना हो. सो दीज वी हैव रिमूव द सेपल्स. दीज आर नोन एज द सेपल्स. सेपल्स आर डिफरेंट काइंड. हर एक फ्लावर में जो सेपल्स की जो शेप होती है वो डिफरेंट होती है. वो लीफ के जैसे भी होते हैं. सो दीज आर द सेपल्स वी हैव रिमूव here. Now we can see this is the colored part of the flower. Now we have to remove. Now we can observe here we have 1 2 3 4 5 colored leaf, and these colored leaves are known as petals. These colored leaves are known as petals. So we have to remove carefully these colored part of the flower. This color part function is to attract the insect for the pollination. So the colored part of the flower are known as petals. The colored part of the flower are known as petal. We have removed this colored part from the flower carefully, and this colored part of the flower is known as petals. See, here we have removed the 5 petals. Different flowers have different colors, and these colored part are known as petals. So clear? The green part of the flower is known as sepal, and colored part is known as petals. Now see, this is the reproductive part of the flower. This whole part is known as the reproductive part of the. So here we have yellow color stamen over this reproductive parts attached to this tube. This tube is style. Over the style, stamens are attached in this flower. Now I am removing this stamen carefully from this style. See, these are the stamens. You can see these are the stamens. Yellow color cap over the stamens. So here we put the stamens. These are the stamens. Over the style. Stamens are the male reproductive part of the flower. Stamen are the male reproductive part of the flower, and stamen has 2 parts. Stamen has 2 parts, anther and style. Sorry, anther and, see, this yellow cap over the stamen This yellow cap over the stamen is known as anther, and The long part below the anther is known as filament. So here we have two parts of the stamen. This yellow part, this cap over the stamen is known as anther, and the long tube-like part of the anther below the anther is known as filament. So anther has two parts. Stamen has two parts, anther and long tube is called filament. So this is our stamen. See, this is our stamen, and the cap of the stamen is known as anther and the long tube is known as filament. Now here we have the female reproductive part. This whole is known as female reproductive part if we remove all the stamen from it. See, this whole is known as the over, जो सबसे ऊपर हमें दिखाई दे रहा है रेड कलर की पार्ट, सी दिस इज the style. This red color part is known as stigma. This is the stigma, and the long tube is style. This long tube is style, and this is ovary. This part is known as the ovary. This part is known as the ovary, and this ovary contains ovules. This ovary contain ovules. इस ovary के अंदर क्या होते हैं? Ovules, जहाँ पे seed बनती है. और ये हमारा हो गया stigma, topmost part of the female reproductive part, stigma, and this long tube is known as style, and the end part of the style is known as ovary, और इस पूरे को हम बोलते हैं पिस्टल. दिस वॉल इज नोन एज पिस्टल, और इसको हम कार्पल भी बोलते हैं. कार्पल का जो पूरा नाम, कार्पल इज ऑल्सो नोन एज पिस्टल, एंड पिस्टल हैज 3 पार्ट्स, स्टिग्मा, स्टाइल, ovary, and this ovary contain ovules. Clear? Now we will see the ovules. See, if we cut this ovary, we form ovule inside it. Small granules, if we push it, we will see, observe the small granules, ovules we form inside this ovary. You can see these small grains form inside the sea. These are the ovules which are formed inside the ovary. So here we have ovules inside the ovary. If we remove them, see, these all are the ovules which we have removed from the ovary. So students, I hope you have learned all the parts of flower. So let us revise them. You can see these ovary contain ovules. So let us review green leaves which is formed outside the green parts of the flower known as sepal. Now this is the colored part. Colored part of the flower is known as petals. And now next we have the reproductive parts of the plant is known as pistil. Over the pistil we form stamens, and stamen has 2 parts, anther and filament. The cap of the stamen is known as anther and the long tube is known as filament. Now we have the female, this is known as the male reproductive part of the flower, and this is the female reproductive part of the flower. Female reproductive part is known as pistil and also known as the carpel, and it has three parts. See, stigma, style, ovary. The topmost part of the pistil is known as stigma, then long tube form is known as style, and the end part of the style is known as ovary. Ovary form ovules inside it. If we cut the longitudinal section of the ovary, transverse section of the ovary, we form ovules inside the ovary. So these are the all parts of the flower. Thanks if you watch the video. Thanks for it. And for the next video, you have to subscribe my channel. Thank you.